want to talk to you about the CSV Import for the X1 series. The CSV Import allows you to upload multiple users and their credentials. It's a really easy process that your users will be able to take advantage of, especially when they're migrating from an existing system and they want to bring in all of those credentials and users and quickly import those into the X1 series. In that import, you can also add multiple credentials to one user. Once on the users page, you will see a CSV Import button on the top right-hand corner. Once you've selected that, you'll then see the CSV Import option, and you will also see a link to download the CSV Import template. Once the template has been downloaded, make sure to enter in all of your information following the headers that are at the top of that template. So let's walk through uploading a template. You'll select CSV File. I'm going to choose my template and click Upload. Click the Upload button to begin the process of adding all of those users and their credentials. The process will let you know how many users are being added, and as you can see, all of my users were successfully added. Now I can manage those users from the users page. As you can see, this is a really helpful tool when trying to add a lot of users to your X1 series. For more information, check out dmp.com or reach out to your X1 sales specialist.